In the middle of winter, homegrown crops can be a little sparse, especially when there is a hard frost. However, with a little bit of digging, there is a bountiful crop just below the surface. Jerusalem artichokes. Dug up and cleaned up, there is a couple of quick soups you can make to warm you on a cold day. First, chop and clean your artichokes. For soup number one, we're going to roast them. So cover them in oil, ready for the oven. Now, Jerusalem artichokes have a bit of a reputation for gas, so a squirt of lemon juice helps fight off that side effect. Get that in the oven for about 40 minutes. Chop up some other winter staples. Add stock, herbs, and season. Do not be shy. Add some water. Throw in a bay leaf. And simmer away while the artichokes cook. When the artichoke is nice and soft, it is ready to mix with everything else. Don't forget to retrieve your bay leaf. In with a stick blender and mix to a nice thick consistency. Be better than me at keeping yourself clean. Touch more seasoning. And serve with a dash of cream. But wait, what if you want something just a little bit more decadent? In that case, artichokes into the pan. Plenty of seasoning, good salt and pepper, a litre of good chicken stock, and it's onto the heat. Simmer for around 30 minutes. To protect me and the kitchen, we're going to use the blender this time. You want this creamy, so add milk and add butter. Blend until smooth. And I like to dress with some truffle oil for a rich finish. There you go. 1 homegrown veg, 2 delicious soups. Enjoy.